Okay, so we discussed about this education, and next I'm going for other employers and date specifications info type. So what I will do is I will log into SAP system, and we can do configuration. Okay, so path is the same again: personnel management, personnel administration, then you can go to employee qualifications. You can see here create qualifications. We are done with all these steps. All these steps we have done: create education establishment type, define all these things we are done. Next I'm going to create qualifications. Here you can maintain the skill. For example, German language skill or some of the skills we maintained. You can go back and create new ones, like we created GVK SAP functional skills, German language skills, like this we created. I can go back and create these things. GVK SAP skills, you can go back and create with some code, which we have already done. And you can see those codes here. GVK SAP functional skills, German language skills. You can save and go back. Qualifications you can maintain. Here you can go for next other or previous employers. Other or previous employers. So I'm clicking on, I'm expanding the node, create other previous employers. So here you can go for create employers industry sector. Industry sector. Let me create 0008. For example, I'm creating 0008. I will say IT industry. IT industry. You can save it. It's nothing but 0008. 0008. IT industry. You can save and go back. And you can go for create activities and employment. Here you can go for some 00045 or 75 something. You can go 75. You can create something like software engineer. You can save this data also. This is what is nothing but a job. It's similar to a job that you created. Save and go back. You can create multiple activities, similar activities you can create. Then you can go to work contracts from other employers. Work contracts from other employers. Click here, and we have maintained 3, 4. You can go for new entries and you can maintain 3 and 4, which we have earlier maintained: contract, FTH, and third party contract. You can save and go back. Already 2 are there. Employee and freelance are there. I have created 3 and 4. You can save and go back. Then you can go to communications. Communications is also an info type, 0105 info type. You can go to create communication types. Go for new entries. CLSV something I'm maintaining. Communication, and you can maintain some IP address or net pass address or system desk code, and you can maintain time constraint, say 2. You can maintain time constraint 2 or 3. You can save. CLSV. I created CLSV. Info type 0105. It is similar to the info type 6 creation. For info type 6, which is address info type, you have created custom subtypes like union address, trade union address. This is also similar communication types. I create a CLSV communication type and given the time constraint 2. Okay. The last thing that you have to go for is the communications. Communications we have done. Now we have to go for date specifications. Now date specifications based on info type 0041. So many submodules depend on this. For example, employee compensation management or performance management system or time management or payroll management or benefits or travel management, all these model. It is one of the important info types, whatever you are going to configure now. That is date specifications info type 41. So maximum 12 dates are available in the standard. If you require more, you have to go for development. So again, the path is similar. The similar path, you can go to here. I will minimize this and you can go to evaluation basis. From administration, you can go to evaluation basis. What is the path again? Path is personal management, personal administration, evaluation basis. I'm expanding the evaluation basis. Then you can go for date specifications. You can see here date specifications. Then you can go for define date type. Define date type. You can click on here. And what you can do is you can go for, let me check GAGB is available or not. GAGB not available. I'll go for different date type, go for new entries. I'll go with GA, GB, GC, GD, GE. Like this, I am creating date types, different date types. You can maintain some date of birth, for example, date of marriage, date of marriage, or probation period end, or last pay change date. All these things I'm maintaining. Last pay change or contract end. All these things I am maintaining. You can maintain more. I will maintain and save this one. So all these things are important dates that are required in the company for each and every employee in a particular area or a department or a particular segment or the entire company. These are the important dates which you are maintaining. You can save and go back. You can go back again. So next I'm going for determine default date specification. Determine default date specifications. This is nothing but a feature. DATAR feature. Let me delete for India and I will again create for India. Because old data was existing, I'm selecting India, 40 India, and you can select 40 India, then you can go for return value. You can go for whatever we created. I'm assigning those things: GA, GB, GC, GD, GE. These are the things I'm assigning and click on transfer. This is a little different feature. DATAR feature, GA, GB, GC, GD, GE, whatever we maintained, that thing I'm maintaining here. You can activate the feature. Activate the feature and you can go back. Okay, so all these things we have created, and you can also go and maintain other info type values similarly. Other info type values in a similar fashion, like monitoring of tasks, which we have done earlier. Other things you can maintain and you can save these details. I will go to the initial screen, easy access screen, and I will go to some PA30 and I will maintain some data. Here what I will do is I will maintain 22, and you can maintain certain data here. Education establishment type, whatever you created now, you can assign that. Like D1, D2, D4 we created, I'm assigning D4. Education and training, you have maintained 7777 something we maintained. You can check that. You can check that 7777 you have maintained. All these values have been maintained. You can go and assign whatever is relevant for you. Like management or something we have created. Those things you can assign one after the other. Education, country key, India, certificate, you created certificates also. Certificate we created 75, 76. You can create 75, 76. Like this you can create. Duration of course 2 years. Branch of study, also we created branch of study, human resources. Like this, you can maintain these details. Institution, you can ISB, something you can maintain, ISB Bangalore. And let me maintain some value here. There are two managements. Which one we have done, we don't know. We have to check that. Another management, I will go for second management. Country key, India. This is what we have configured. And you can enter this at the employee level. You are entering that details here. You can save it. I'm not saving. You can go back and create data for the employee and you can save. Next, what I'm going for is previous employment detail, other employer, previous employer. This one also we have configured data, other employer, previous employer. Like we maintained industry 0008, like that we maintained. Employer, some employer you can maintain. City, some Bangalore or something you can maintain. Country, India, industry. Industry, we created industry like 0008. Some industry we created, you can assign whatever you created, you can assign that industry. Like IT industry, we created IT industry. You can assign that here. Whatever you configured, you can assign it here. That is why we have configured in the first place. IT industry. For example, I am maintaining IT industry. Job also we have maintained job. You can select whatever job is applicable, you can select. Software engineer. Work contract, if it's their third party or whatever, you can maintain. Employee or contract FTH, you can maintain like this. And date also you can maintain, start date, end date. This is how you can maintain whatever configuration we have done. That data is becoming available here. Okay, so you can maintain, go back. I'm not saving, you can save. I'm just checking whatever we have done, it is working or not. That is what I'm checking. So communication also you can maintain, personal email, or we created system CLSV, we created CLSV. You can maintain CLSV ID, system desk code. I am maintaining here, and you can save this data. Whatever is required, you will go back and save it. Okay. Next, I will go for date specifications. Date specifications, I will go for. Here, when I go for a system automatically maintaining GA, GB, GC, GD, GE, automatically system is maintaining it. So you can enter appropriate date, some date you can maintain. Some dates you can maintain. All these dates you can maintain. Date of marriage, last, whatever changes you can maintain. Additionally also I can maintain additional dates. Why I am maintaining this? Because these are the important dates for the employee that is required. For example, seniority date or experience, seniority or time in, join in department, all these things you can maintain in this in this area as date specifications. Okay, so you can join. This is the class today. You can join tomorrow, but if you have any question regarding configuration or this data maintenance, anything, if you have some confusion or if you don't understand, you can discuss it now.
Sir, from tomorrow, same timings or else 3:30 only?
Yeah, because
Because
today we had to start at 3:30, but due to some these changes, someone joining, and so what we can do is we can start at 3:30 only
okay, sir.
tomorrow. So please log in everybody, please, by 3:30 sharp, and
Okay, sir.
please inform Priya also.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, we'll log in sharp 3:30 tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes.
This uh, in default date specifications,
Yes.
as you explained, GA, GD, GB, or GCG, are they predefined, sir? Like the
No.
features, I did not understand what it is
No. No.
exactly.
It's not predefined. So, okay. So the configuration, what I did is I used GAGB. I only configured, isn't it?
Yes, sir. You
Hello.
only can.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
was
sir.
not there. Correct.
Hmm. Yes, it was
GAGB,
not there.
it was not there. So I created it. Right.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
what I did, then I went to data feature.
Mm,
In data
yeah.
feature, let me go to data feature again. I will go to the same place again.
Okay.
Let's see how it is. What I have done. Just I'm going through once again. I'm going to this personal management, personal administration, evaluation basis, date specifications. I created here GAGB. They were not there.
Mm,
I created. How I created? I went to new entries. Where is that? You can see here GA, GB, GC, GD, GE. These are the
okay. Okay, sir. I got it now.
how I
Yeah.
created. I went to new entries. I
You
create.
went to new entries. Yes.
Okay, this is done.
Okay.
You saved it. You went back, and I went to determine default date specifications. Then for India, whatever I created, I defaulted here GA, GB,
Okay.
GC, GD. Why I did like this? Because I want it automatically maintained while I'm maintaining data.
Mhm.
For India, when you are hiring, or you are for India when you are maintaining that, and these date specifications should be automatically maintained.
Okay.
So when I went to master data, employee data, what I saw GA, GB, GC already defaulting. They are not predefined.
Okay, sir. Got it now. Thank
So
you.
how it happens in real time? In real time also it is similar. Whatever the most important dates, whatever is the dates which are required for calculation like pension or seniority, or whatever the dates which are used in some kind of program, all those
Mm.
dates you are again creating just like I created today,
Okay, sir.
so that
Okay.
you can maintain data for the employees.
Mm.
You can maintain for 10,000 employees also, you can maintain.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other
Thank.
question?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Only this was a doubt. Yeah.
Okay.
We
Okay,
will
sir.
I will practice and ask you tomorrow, sir, if there is any doubt.
Sure, sure. You have to practice, otherwise it's difficult.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Yagyateja, have you got it?
Sir, I just joined before 6 minutes only, sir.
Before 6 minutes? Okay, you joined late. Okay, no problem. So,
Sir,
yeah,
this has been recording, no, sir?
yeah. I will share it with you.
Yes, sir. Please share me before one and this one also, sir.
Sure, sure. This one I'll share. Previous one, there seems to be some issue. I will check that. For education info type, that I will check. But this one I will share with you all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
no problem.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So tomorrow you said me to join before 45 minutes. Can I join like
Yes,
that?
yes, you can join like that. For
Yeah, sir.
others, everybody else, 3:30. Okay, everyone else.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. See. You.